Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and today I'm going to share with you why is it important to be in sync with your inner self. A life full of luxuries meant nothing if you are not in sync, if you are not in congruence with your soul. Do the soul searching. Do that. And then remain true. Because it's not easy to leave your soul and live a life which is not in congruence with the inner self, the strongest inner power that you have. You are denying your power. It's a gift. It's a gift. To every human being, it's a gift. But very rare people have the courage, have the guts to actually stand up for what they feel like. Very rare people have the courage to actually show up every time they are not feeling like showing up. It's not easy. Nothing is easy. Nothing is easy in life. Even if you will not be in sync with your things, with your inner self, and if you think, okay, I'll just fit in with the society's norms, I'll just fit in with whatever the people are saying, that's even more challenging. That's even literally more challenging. It's not easy. So when you have to choose a tough path, why not be tough from within? As long as you will be in sync with yourself, as long as you will be in a position that you are fine with whatever you are doing, you are so happy from within that maybe a success, maybe a failure, whatever the result may be, good or bad. Not focusing on the result and then not allowing anyone to ask you what the result was, No. The result is that I am on a journey, and then the journey is so powerful, it's so beautiful that I am enjoying the process. You will reach gradually to the destination that you are meant to reach. But then you just can't jump directly to that destination. You have to chase the process. You have to follow a process. You have to go through that journey. And the more beautiful journey you aim to have, the more happy you will be when you will reach a destination. So, in this short, crisp episode, did you resonate with what I have just shared? Did you learn something new? Share your views in the voice message now. The link is in the description. Fill the form to join my Telegram flash group. Join all the social media platforms. Thank you for your valuable time in listening to my podcast. I really appreciate that. And I invite you to book a one-on-one with me if you need any help to learn how to start living the self-love lifestyle. And I promise I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, Google Podcast, and help me reach across the globe with my motto, with my purpose of self-love. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.